Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In today's tutorial, I'm playing around with the new Neon Obsessions palettes from Huda Beauty. So if you want to see how I created this super fun and colorful look, then just keep on watching. So here I'm just applying the eyeshadow primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills all over my eyelid as a base for the shadows I'm about to apply. And I really like this primer because it really makes the colors pop, so it's perfect for a look like this. Now the first eyeshadow I'm going to pick up is this super bright matte orange shade, and I'm gonna apply this with a slightly tapered blending brush into my crease and outer corners. I'm first just pressing on the eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna start blending out the harsh edges. Now these eyeshadows are very pigmented, so you only need a little bit of product on your brush. Now I'm just going to bring this color down onto the outer half of my lower lash line as well. Next I'm picking up this yellow eyeshadow from the same palette on a larger blending brush, and I'm applying this just above the orange to blend it out, and I'm also adding it onto the lower lash line to blend out the orange. Since this eyeshadow was so pigmented, I'm just adding a little bit more of the orange into the crease since it was covered by the yellow. Now before I apply any of the shimmery eyeshadows, I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Melted Eyeshadow in the shade Pink Champagne, and I'm gonna apply this onto the lid. I like to use these as a base for metallic shadows because it makes them extra sparkly. Before the shadow dries down, I'm now going to press on this metallic pink shadow from the same palette onto the center of my lid, and then for the inner corners, I'm gonna use the metallic orange color. And last but not least, for the outer corners, I'm gonna pick up this beautiful metallic purple shade from the Neon Pink palette. Then I'm just gonna repeat these steps onto the other eye as well. From the Neon Pink palette, I'm now taking this matte neon pinky purple shade, and I'm gonna be adding this into the outer corners of my lid and lower lash line to frame the eyes a little bit more. Now for the inner corners, I'm first going to apply this matte neon green eyeshadow from the Neon Green palette, and then I'm going to be applying a mix of the two metallic green shadows from the same palette on top of it, and that's it for the shadows. I have to say that this is one of my favorite looks I've done in a while. I just love how bright and vibrant all these colors are, and I really think that Huda always puts out amazing eyeshadows. Now I'm just gonna go in with the Sigma gel liner in the black shade called Wicked, and I'm gonna create a winged liner. I love the way this looked without the liner, but I feel like the liner just framed my eyes and really completed this look. Then I'm just gonna finish off this look with some mascara and lashes, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!